Morning! It is a Thursday morning here at my place. The time now is... Oops! Wala pala akong relo. I am now heading to my workplace and I'm about to ride my first trip by a bus. Good morning! Just take this one. Thank you!
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is
First ride was done. Ngayon ay papapunta ako dun sa susunod na station. Para sa mga pedestrian dyan, huwag niyo akong gagayahin. Hindi ito ang tamang tawiran.
secret start in your eyes to sleep.
I arrive at Khalid bin Walid Central Station.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all that
Final ride, han? Nakita niyo naman ang sitwasyon ng traffic during Thursday, the last day of the work week. Very light is the flow of traffic. Babagtasin natin ang daan yan. Dadaan ako sa mall saglit. Pasok tayo kahit na nasa preparation stage pa lang sila. Mga maintenance activities pa lang nandito ang present. Mga 9 AM siguro ang opening. Discount here and there, everywhere. Ano? 50 to 75% discount. Hindi tayo makakita ng gwardiya. Trabaho ng equipment na yan ay abutin ng kisame ng mall para mag-alis ng sapot ng gagamba. Sarado pa ang kapihan. Lalabas na ngayon tayo from the mall. Lumabas ako sa mall na yon at patungo ako ngayon dito sa park na ito. Ang Granadia Station ay isa sa ilang train stations na ang construction ay underway. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa operational. Good morning! Ang aking mga kosa, parking attendant. I'll give you a sneak peek of my office. Promise. Good morning.
Oh, shout out kabayan. What's up? What's up? Morning, good morning.
Sa mobile telecommunication. Sir, anong pangalan mo?
Shout out nga pala. My name is Tetsuya Uy. Shout out sa light.
Pare.
Hello po. Anong pangalan ng YouTube mo?
Solid Family TV.
Solid Family TV. Sige,
Pakisubscribe
subscribe
na lang,
natin
ha?
yan. Support lang guys.
Salamat. Napakabuti mo. Mabuhay ka. Dito ang floor kung saan ako nag-work. Mukhang wala akong tao. Dito. Good morning. Hi, me too. Are you good? Everything's okay? Good morning.
Now coming to, but I'm working the
In the ground floor, you have a special event, huh?
ka na.
Hi!
Hello!
Aking kaibigan mula sa country of Mindanao.
Ito ang ginagawa dito sa ano ha?
Saan? Sa opisina, ha? Ganito po kami dito sa opisina. Kita mo naman ang kita mo po ang yayamanin na si Mr. Alan.
May ano nga.
Oh,
May ano
tama.
yan.
Yan ang mga pahambol. Isipin mong sila nasa isang executive park. Oh, yan oh, kita nyo guys ang tanawin. Oh, overlooking the garden.
Yes. Nature garden.
Yes. Mr. Mohanad, say hi to my vlog. Mr. Mohanad, Mohanad.
Mohanad.
I'm very much protected, guys?
Yes.
Hi. Mr. Amjad. The big boss of finance. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
How do you do?
Happy
I like Nepal. I like Philippines.
Happy National Day. They are preparing, I think, for the 2 o'clock dance, the traditional dance of Saudi. My work ended at 8:29 p.m. Too late, right? That's the way it is.